to Mickey Bugs Toy Box Reviews. Today we have this puppy puzzle and surprise eggs. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with this puzzle. Okay, let's earn our eggs. It's great inside the egg. I hear something. This is Baggy. What's inside? It's Princess Poppy. What's inside this egg? I don't know this troll. It's the Suki inside the egg. I think this one is the Suki because look, they have the same faces. Let's see who's in the last egg. It's another Suki. And that's all for today from Zalama Velo. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!